That was meant to be a joke.
Hi, I'm Maddie, and today I'm gonna learn how to do the splits in 5 days.
Alright, this is splits day 1. My groin already hurts from thinking about it. We're gonna do some stretches first. I have no idea what stretches. Alright, pray for my groin. So I don't really know much about this. I think I'm just gonna... No, I'm not gonna do that. No, how do I get out? No. No babies. Alright, I should probably look up how to actually get the splits. So, to the computer. So I looked up some YouTube tutorials on how to do the splits, and after watching multiple videos, here are some warm-ups to do before splitting yourself. The standing hamstring stretch, which targets your hamstrings. The low lunge, which targets your thighs. Hold these for 30 seconds each for 3 sets, then proceed into the splits each side.
Phase, inhale, every exhale. Lift up that leg, point the toes, and try to straighten that leg. You are Miss Flexible.
I'm so close. Well, practice makes perfect. I'm like this close off the ground. Maybe I can get it by tomorrow. Welcome to day 3 of the splits. Okay. There's just a lot of friction. Not bad. I did a fart. Oh, there's just so much friction on the mat, or on the tiles, and use some cloths. I need to breathe. So the socks kind of worked. Maybe I'll try the other leg. Did I just do it? No, I cannot do it. I cannot do it. I'm so close yet so far. I think it's just my form that needs to be corrected. Like my chest is on my thighs and it's not what we want. So, form check. So yeah, my maybe touching the ground, but my form isn't right. They say you've got to get your chest up, hips forward, straighten back leg at knee, back foot facing down, tuck your pelvis in, and most importantly, breathe. Day 5. After following the warm-ups and practicing consistently for 5 days, the moment of truth, fellas, this happened. Sweating. Thank you.
All the way.
I am all the way.
Touch the ground with your butt.
Wow. Okay. Ow. No, too much. Ow. Wow, I did it. That was kind of easy. Jokes, it wasn't easy. It took me 5 days. Well, thanks for watching. Thank you especially for all the love and support on the last video. That was very nice. Please like and subscribe and comment. Love you. Bye.